So in the previous lecture we have completed our lesson number 2. I hope you have finished all the work which we have discussed and I have given you as a homework to be written in your notebook. So today we are going to start our new lesson, which is lesson number 3, Animal Shelters. Now shelter means home. Now here we are talking about animal shelter. But before this, why do we need shelter? Now the shelter, why we need shelter? Now, means we as a human being need shelter. Same way, just the way we need shelter, same way animal also need shelter to protect themselves. Now protect from weather, protect from other animals. So different type of animals have different type of shelter. But children, it is not that all animals need shelter or they build their own shelter. Few animals build their own shelter. Few find the shelter in the nature, in the environment. Ready shelter they find them. They don't require anything to make their own shelter. And few shelters made by the man, that is called man-made shelter for animals. Which type of animals? Like pet animals, domestic animals, we keep for our use or for our life. Okay, so here in this lesson we are talking about animal shelter, different type of animal shelter, as well as the shelter for the human being. Why the human being or we require the shelter? So shelter is a home. We need shelter to protect ourselves from weather. Now before that, just look at the picture over there in your textbook. Now this is what? Cat. Now cat is waiting where? What is this? This is hole. Now hole is a shelter for what? For which animal? Yes, rat. Now cat is waiting and we all know that cat favorite food is rat. But when the rat is there inside the hole, it is protect it. Why? Because if it come out, the cat will going to catch the rat and take it as a food. So when the rat is in his shelter, it is protected by any of the animal. Same way, in the next picture you see, the crow is over there on its nest. But here again, the cat is waiting for what? For what is over there? This thing. It's a young one of the crow. In the next picture, it is egg over there. Now cat is waiting so that crow can, when the crow will fly away, cat will go up and eat the young one or just have the eggs over there as a food. And because of that, few of the crows are scared. They are frightened. So as they are in the shelter, but still it is in the open. That's why few of the crows are frightened over there in the tree. So here we have talked about two types of shelter. One is hole, it is made by the rat as well as the crow nest. Clear? Now in the next it is given over there. Can you tell? Now this you are doing it by your own. You are going to read it and write the answer over there. Now what do birds use to build their nest? In the first lesson itself, environment provides what to the birds? We have done it. Yes, think about it. What the twigs? One bird we have learned it in the first lesson. It's a twig. So what the bird used to build it is twig, thread, isn't it? And they cotton to make it soft. So bird require many things to build its own shelter. Now, which animals live in below? Think about you are knowing it very well. Clear? Now, where do hen we keep to live? Clear? We keep means man-made shelter. Think about it. Hen, where it live? Clear? Now, who built their shelter? Who? Hen itself? No. As we are keeping the hen for our use, we are building its shelter. Clear? Now, next we need home. Now we stand for human being. Or you or me, anyone. Now we need house to ourselves. Now protect ourselves from any danger. From any danger. Now danger can be by the environment, danger can be by the man-made, danger from by the animals. So basically we need houses to protect ourselves from any danger. Just the way we need, same way animals also need shelter to protect themselves. In the next lesson, in the next period, we are going to learn more about how the different type of weather it's over there in the environment that helps to from that the house helps to protect ourselves, as well as by the man-made, and by how the animals house also protect us.